Templemore has always had a really good reputation locally for training hairdressers or people coming through a hairdressing pathway into the industry, and I suppose we're building on that platform to try and develop, I suppose, the offering here and probably meet more of the demands of the industry. It's a very ever-changing industry. There's a lot happening in the hairdressing industry and the sector, so we have to be on top of that change and stay with that change. And the National Hairdressing Apprenticeship itself was developed, I suppose, probably to respond to the overall demands of the industry and the changing landscape for it. So with the development of the National Hairdressing Apprenticeship and the work that we had done here to date in the centre, it gives a great opportunity to kind of build that platform, build up the experience we have in the centre, build up the facility that we offer as well, make it a hugely professional centre and location for hairdressing, and then to bring in the apprenticeship then itself as an offering here was the next step for us, really, to make sure that for employers in Tipperary there's a really good training option for them in their local community that's, I suppose, high standard, high quality and meets the needs of their business.
So we're absolutely thrilled, delighted to be starting the apprenticeship here in Templemore. So we've gutted the salon here. So we've reused some of the sections. They were only about 5 or 6 years old. We based the style of the salon then around them. So so it was a team effort really, and we're absolutely thrilled and delighted with how it turned out. It's a gorgeous big room, loads of lovely lights. We're absolutely delighted. So we cover all aspects of hairdressing. So that would include you start out with your more basic, your consultation, your shampooing, your cutting, your colouring, and then we'd be moving into more advanced things like perming, and you do some IT skills as well.
Well, it's a great addition to the college and the facilities we have here to offer. It allows students from Templemore, Thurles, the whole of Tipperary, surrounding environs, the ability to do their apprenticeship now in their own county. Before this they might have had to travel to Limerick or Portlaoise or elsewhere. It also is great facilities for our own PLC students who now, when they do a PLC QQI Level 5 with us, now have the ability to progress, build a relationship with a local employer and then get that local employer involved in the apprenticeship here in Templemore College.
This is a Level 6 QQI award on the framework. So across the county we have hairdressing in Clonmel, Thurles, Nina, Rossgrave. So a learner can come on a course at level 2 or 3 and progress up through the various levels to level 6 here with the apprenticeship. So within our community training centres, which are based in Clonmel, Thurles and Nina, we offer VTCC in training, which is a level 3 course, and it gives a learner a full opportunity to learn all the different modules in hairdressing. They then can progress to our Clonmel campus as part of BTI or level 5 qualification to do a part-time provision to various modules. And here in Templemore College we offer a full level 5 in hairdressing, which is a QQI Level 5. That also then gives opportunity for the learners to learn in a real work environment and then progress maybe to the hairdressing, take on a job and come here one day a week to do the level 6 qualification.
So first thing they need to do is just apply to a salon, a local salon near them, and there's a lot that are advertising at the moment still in the Thurles, Templemore kind of area. So they would first go for an interview with them, they would hire them as an apprentice, and then their employer then would do the rest. So they would come and liaise with us then and we would get them all signed up.